Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. How you can add a phone number to your Amazon Prime Video account. Let's find out in this video. Make sure to watch the video till the end. So the first thing you need to do is to open a browser on your device. I'm using a phone, so I will open a browser here. The next thing you need to do is to type in Amazon Prime. You need to go to the Amazon Prime Video website. Make sure to sign in to your account first. So the first thing you need to do is to tap on the profile icon, and from here, as you can see, I am already signed into my account. Tap on accounts and settings. So once you tap on accounts and settings, from here, edit on Amazon. So it will bring you here. Maybe it will ask you to enter your username and password before coming here, so you need to enter that one. So here, primary mobile phone number. I did not add any phone number yet, so I will tap on add a phone number. From here, you can select a country code. So you need to select a country code where you're living. I will find Thailand in the list, and then you need to type in your phone number. So once you type in your phone number, tap on continue. We will send you a text to verify this number. Make sure that your number is correct. Just verify it one more time and then tap on OK. So once you tap on OK, are you sure you want to use this number? Yes, and you need to just say yes, verify this one. Just tap on that option and they will send you a one-time password and OTP on the number that you enter. As you can see, I received a notice here and I received the OTP. I will enter the OTP. So I already entered the one-time password and then tap on verify. So once you tap on verify, they say confirm new number. Please authenticate the change to your mobile number. This is a new number. And then you need to enter your password of your Amazon Prime Video account to save the changes. So then tap on save changes. And now the number is already been added. Let's go one more time to find out that the number exists there. Tap on edit on Amazon. So guys, as you can see on this page, login and security, that the phone number is already been added and I can edit it from here again if I want to. So this is all it takes to add a phone number to your Amazon Prime Video account. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.